Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Infinitypedia once again. In today's video, I got another website for you, and as all my previous website I suggested you, and I hope that those websites were helpful for you. And what I got today for you, this is topper.com, and this is going to another website that's maximum 90 to 95% going to help you with your studies and external knowledgeable things. This website is specially built for student, and I am sure this is going to be helpful for you. Okay, so let's start it. In here I got geography question from the Byju's app, Byju's website. So let's try to get a question's answer. Okay, let's try with this one. So the question is, mention the disadvantages of building large dams. Mention 4 points. So particularly this question wants 4 points about disadvantages of building a large dam. Okay, so let's try to find it out. And as I told you in my all previous videos, that this kind of websites going to search in its own database and get a result for you, possibly get more than one result for you. But if you are eligible and you studied this, get your answer by those all suggestions that this website going to bring for you. Okay, so let's search this one. I just searched and I got this result. Particularly this website giving me 3 questions. Okay, what is disadvantages of building a large dam? So this probably this not going to be give me a particular 4th disadvantage. This is going to give me more than 4, but easily you can bring out 4 your suitable points. Okay, so I just opened it. Natural ecosystem in the surrounding forest areas get disturbed. So particularly this is saying that natural ecosystem in the surrounding forest areas get disturbed. So this is the first one. Oh look, here I got 4 disadvantages. Okay, so particularly you can see here is also the answer and here is also the answer. Okay, so you already got your 4 disadvantages of building a large dam. Okay, so let's see another question's answer. Try to find it out. I just get the website back in its own searchable optionable area. Otherwise where we are, you can also search from that part also. So let's try with this one. Explain how water becomes a renewable resources. Renewable resources. Okay, let's try this one. Renewable resources. So let's see. So here it's a explain how water becomes a renewable resource. If I click this one, I will got this answer. Okay, water keep on circulating in nature through various states of matter. Okay, various states of matter in the form of liquid, vapor and ice. Due to this, the water which disappears because of evaporation. Okay, so particularly you can see the answer over here, and you can get multiple answers of your that question you will search. It will going to search its own database, and this website going to get all the questions that this database have for your suitable question, and if you click on the question, this website going to show the answer of that particular question. And if you are suitable with that question's answer, then you can take the answer and write in your own textbook or whatever you wanted to use it for that. So particularly this also very helpful, this is also going to be helpful for you. So let's try with another question also. Give the source of fresh water in India. So this particularly this question want a source of fresh water in India. Let's see. Look, we got our answer over here. We click here, we will get our answer. Look, we got our answer. So this website is also helpful for you, and I always try to find those kind of website or those kind of techniques that can help, that will helpful for you for your studies or any kind of knowledgeable things. Okay, so please do subscribe my channel, and because this my video is totally unscripted, so if I do any mistake in my video, so please forgive me, and please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.